In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all-parties Hurriyat conference, while paying rich tributes to the prominent martyred Kashmiri leader Sheikh Abdul Aziz on his 14th martyrdom anniversary today, reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops had martyred Sheikh Abdul Aziz on this day in 2008 when he was leading a big march from Srinagar to the line of control against the economic blockade of the Kashmir Valley by Hindu extremists of Jammu. Illegally detained APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a special message from Srinagar Central Jail, said Sheikh Abdul Aziz will always be remembered as a great hero in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. He said that Sheikh Aziz was a visionary political leader who faced bullets on his chest rather than to succumb or surrender before the Indian military might. The APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani and Ittihad-e-Islami Jammu and Kashmir, in their statements in Srinagar, said that contribution, services and sacrifices of Sheikh Abdul Aziz for the ongoing freedom movement would always be remembered. The APHC AJK chapter held a rally in Muzaffarabad today to pay homage to Sheikh Abdul Aziz, holding banners with pictures of Sheikh Aziz. The participants of the rally raised high-pitched slogans in favor of the Kashmiri martyrs and against India. Meanwhile, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism today, martyred 2 more Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The fresh killings in Pargal area of Rajouri district in Jammu region raised the number of slain youth in the territory to 5 in last 2 days. The troops martyred 3 youth during a violent cordon and search operation in Waterhill area of Badgam district yesterday. Indian Army claimed that 3 soldiers were killed and several others were injured in an attack on an army camp in Pargal. Kashmir watchers, political experts and analysts have said that the attack on the army camp in Pargal could be another false flag operation by Modi government to malign the Kashmir freedom movement and Pakistan. They said the fresh incident just ahead of the Indian Independence Day celebration seems to be another orchestrated drama for multiple purposes by the Hindutva-driven Modi regime, including getting Pakistan on Financial Action Task Force blacklist. On the other hand, Hindutva goons attacked and critically injured 2 Muslim youth during a Muharram procession in Malla Samundra area of Gadag district of the Indian state of Karnataka. The injured youths were identified as Tausif Usmani and Mushtaq Usmani.